This is the condensing unit video, and we are on the east side of the house. This structure, this home only has one condensing unit. We have anti-theft Schrader valve covers. We have the proper insulation on the refrigerant line, so that's a good thing. The coils are all dirty, always dirty, dirty, dirty. Not that dirty. They're just about that dirty. They're a little dirty. They need to be cleaned. They need to be cleaned. The electric service disconnect is over to the side. That's a good thing. It should be sealed on 3 sides. It should be sealed on 3 sides. And you can see how it's laced up pretty good right there. We'll put it back. This is our data plate where we're reading that this unit was manufactured about 2 years ago. We're also reading that this is a 5-ton system, and we got our fuse rating in here and is using the good refrigerant. So we're going to be looking at the fuse rating. We've got a recent installation for the electric service panel as well. So there's some good useful information in there that we're looking for. What's going on with this besides just a little bit of dirt, and this shouldn't be sealed, is also that the condensing unit should be elevated a minimum of 3 inches above the ground. Minimum of 3 inches above the ground. Another thing that's going on with this, it wasn't required when this home was built, the structure was built, but there would be nice if there were, and I'm going to call it a deficiency, but if there was an electric receptacle outlet on this wall near here, so that the technician could run a vacuum pump. Maybe he wants to braze electrically, I don't know. He has an arc welder, I don't know. But there's supposed to be an electric service receptacle outlet out here for this equipment. Just know that if the technician, the HVAC person, needs power to service your unit, it's going to come from probably through a window. Probably come through a window. That's what we learned. The condensing, you do not have electric service disconnect, receptacle outlet. We do not have electric service disconnect. It's not sealed, and it's not elevated a minimum of 3 inches, and coils could always be cleaned.